Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shuaib, and today in this tutorial video, you will learn how you can create a set and reset button to control the bit in a PLC controller. The set button is used to write value 1 into specific bit or tag, and similar manner, the reset button is used to write a 0 value into a specific bit or tag. Here in this example, we are using two buttons. Start button will work as a set command, and the stop button will work as a reset command. Suppose if you click here, so WinCC SCADA write one value into specific tag inside the PLC controller, and then PLC controller turn on the pump. And similar manner, when you press the stop button, so WinCC SCADA will write a 0 value in a PLC controller. So we'll see how we can configure set and reset button inside the WinCC SCADA. So in previous tutorial, we developed one project. So I will use the same project, and once you open this tag management, as we know in previous tutorial, we already some of the tags we configure. If you come here and mixer one, we already configure a tag. So in this particular tutorial, we will use those tags. So I will close and I will open the same screen that we already developed. So here screen is open. So come here in the window object and select the button and just create a here button, and I will put the button name start, and we'll just change the font size. So I'll put it 20. Fine. And that's it. And now in this tutorial video, click here button, mouse, and press left. So here right click and click at the C action. In this particular tutorial, we are going to learn how we can use set and reset function through a C script. So select the C action and select this comments 4 and delete it, and just click here and compile. Okay. So now we will come here internal function, tags, and set bits, and then double click it here, and from here select the tag, and this example we are going to use the pump2 command. Select OK, and then what we want, once we press the set start button, it should write the value 1 inside the PLC controller. So I will put it here 1. That's it. After that, here press the compile button and then press the OK. So our set function is created. Now I will just duplicate it, and after that, our first step to change the text, I'll put it stop, and then come here in event, mouse, press left, double click here, double click or you can right click C action. So now what I want, I can modify the same script also, or either come here in tag, set bit, and double click here, which tag I want, select the tag and command 2, and what I want. I want once I press this stop button, it should write 0 value. So I will put it here 0. Okay, so I will click here to compile button. There is no error in my code and press OK. So yes, I will align it properly. Okay. So now save it and run it. So our WinCC runtime file is open. So once I click here to start button, it will write value in the PLC controller 1 and our pump is turned on. And similar once you press the stop button, it will write the 0 value inside the PLC controller and our pump is stopped now. That's it, how we can use set and reset function inside the WinCC SCADA. Thanks for watching this video.